Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost. How are you all doing today? I'd like to greet all the hitters out there. Thank you for watching this video. Right now, we are working on a hit app called Has Dominant Entity Classification. This is an easy task. We do not have a guideline here, but the guideline is already on the Hit app, so it should be easy for you to work on this one. So let's jump into this or dive into it. Please judge whether the given URL has a dominant entity. What is a dominant entity? If the web page that is dedicated to it, if using one sentence to summarize the web page, the entity is one of the main subjects of the sentence. For a login product page of a famous company, the company name is the dominant entity. Let's move on to number four. A general news page does not have a dominant entity unless it is talking directly about a celebrity, product, company, department, etc. An example for this one is going to be CNN.com, and the article focuses more on, let's say, Tokyo 2020. That will be considered as a dominant entity. So for this one, the first one, guys, this is the qualification round. Let's give it a shot if we can pass it. So, Bank Corp South, exciting news. This is more. This is going to be the dominant entity here. Welcome to Bank South. So it is going to be a yes. Got it right. Credit Karma sign up. This is going to be a yes. BBC News Entertainment. Obituary Shaja Gabor. That is the dominant entity on this website. So that's a yes. Okay, we passed the qualification test. It was an easy hit app. That was only three hit apps, but I guess you're able to get an idea on how to work on that particular hit called has dominant entity classification. Again, if it is a particular site like, let's say, a news website or any website that publishes documents and it is talking about a particular entity, that will be considered as a dominant entity, and the answer to that will be yes. Now, for the login website, so long as the login website is for, let's just say, google.com, and the login website is for google.com as well, then it is going to be a dominant entity, uh, and it should be answered as yes. I hope this video helps you out. It was really a short video, but let's try to work on it so I can give you more example. Okay, so for this one, Bank Corp South, it is the dominant entity again. Let's click yes and submit it. YouTube.com. Now, this talks about a lot of stuffs. So this is not there is no dominant entity here, so it'll be no. For this one, MSN News, Politics, can Star wage scorch earth campaign to drop federal case. Let's see this site here. Let's pull it up. It cannot be found. Yeah, there it is. It talks about this particular article. So yeah, it is going to be the dominant entity on this particular website. So it'll be a yes. Okay. Um, Next one is www.dmv.ca.gov portal driver license identification. This website focuses on this particular entity, so it'll be a yes. So that's again, those are just the examples. So I have to stop the video here. It was a short tutorial. Part of it was the qualification round, and I hope you all were able to absorb the thought process on how to work again on this set. Again, it is has dominant entity classification hit app. Again, my name is Ghost. We have a Facebook group. It's called Ghostly Hitters. You have to subscribe to our tutorial channel before you can join there and answer all the relevant questions. We appreciate you answering those questions because we want to make sure that you read everything. Now, reading is something, it'll help you all out to be successful in working for UHRS. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye for now.